Are you tired of constantly being disappointed when switching supplements, hoping for a change, but seeing no results? We understand your struggle and are here to offer a proven solution that will not only turn things around for you, but also bring a sense of relief from this frustrating cycle, giving you hope for a healthier future. Why aren't your supplements working? The issue with many supplements in the market is their lack of optimal absorption. This often leads to disappointment and wasted money. At our company, we've overcome this challenge with our unique formulation process. This ensures that your body receives the full benefits of the nutrients, setting our supplements apart from the rest. Scientifically proven, highly absorbable supplements. Our supplements are designed using the latest scientific research to ensure your body absorbs the nutrients efficiently. This knowledge empowers you, as you no longer have to guess. If your body is getting what it needs, instilling confidence in your health choices. Our blend of antioxidants fights off harmful free radicals, promoting overall better health and supporting anti aging efforts. Our state of the art antioxidant scanner, a non invasive device that measures your antioxidant levels, allows you to track the tangible impact of our supplements. It's not just about feeling better, it's about seeing real, measurable improvements in your health. This is the power of our program. Stop wasting money on supplements that don't work. Our products are formulated to deliver accurate, noticeable results. Your health is unique, just like you. Our program is tailored to meet your specific health needs, ensuring you get the best possible outcomes. We believe in building trust through transparent, evidence based information. See the difference our supplements make with measurable results. What happens if you don't act now? Imagine yourself a few years from now, having continued down the same path of ineffective health and anti aging practices. The consequences of inaction could be profound, affecting not just your physical appearance, but your overall quality of life. Continuing to invest time and money into health and anti aging products that don't work will only lead to more frustration and disappointment. You'll keep questioning why nothing seems to work, feeling increasingly disheartened with each failed attempt. Join a thriving community of thousands who have transformed their health with our program. Our users are experiencing the benefits of effective supplementation, and we're here to not just provide support, but also make you feel a part of this community on your journey too. It's time to stop guessing and start seeing real improvements in your well being. Discover the power of effective supplementation and achieve the results you deserve. Take the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you today. Our team is here to support you on your journey to better health.